In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack with your clients. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just one, organizing your communication effectively is crucial for a seamless workflow. Today, I'll guide you through setting up Slack so you can connect and collaborate with your clients efficiently. First off, let's head over to Slack. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Slack website. Once you're on the main page, you'll spot an option to sign in using Google. Click on that, and it'll prompt you to select your Google account. This step is straightforward. Just choose the account you wish to use for your Slack communications. After choosing your account, you'll need to click on Continue to proceed. This step ensures that all the necessary permissions and settings are appropriately configured for seamless integration. Now you're almost all set to use Slack right in your browser. You'll see an option that says Use Slack in your browser. Click that option. This will open the Slack workspace in your web browser, giving you access to all its features without needing to download a separate app. Once in Slack, take a look at the left-hand panel. Locate the three dots next to Channel and click on them. Here we're going to create a dedicated communication space for your clients by setting up a new channel. Creating a specific channel helps in keeping your discussions focused and organized, keeping everybody on the same page. Next, you'll see an option to Create Channel. Click on it and a new window will appear, prompting you to enter a channel name. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose or the client it pertains to. This makes it easier for you and your team to identify channels quickly. After naming your new channel, click Next and decide who can access it by selecting Private, only specific people. This setting ensures that only you and the invitees can see the contents of the channel, making it a secure space for sensitive client communication. Once you've done that, hit Create to finalize the channel setup. Now you'll want to invite your clients to this channel. You can do this by typing in their email addresses when prompted. Inviting clients to the channel allows for direct and organized communication, enhancing collaboration. If you're not ready to invite just yet, there's no rush. You can simply click Skip for now and invite them later when you're all set. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Slack with your clients, providing a streamlined and efficient means of communication that will help keep projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful content.